Hey, Anthony from DGTL Creator here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make and use your own Animators Light Box. But first, what is a light box? A light box is essentially a container or box with a bright light inside and a glass window to allow the light to shine out of it. Animators use light boxes to see through the paper they draw on, which makes creating hand-drawn animation much easier. It allows you to see your previous drawings while you draw new frames of your animation. So without further ado, let's get started. For this activity, you're going to need pencil, paper, scissors, a transparent surface or container. In my case, I used a wooden and plastic tea box I found at the dollar store, but you can use a Tupperware container, a glass picture frame, or anything that's see-through and sturdy enough to draw on top of. Just be careful with any glass objects. Lastly, you'll need a bright light to have underneath your surface, and you may use an optional animation template that you can find on the internet. I have ones that you can use from the description below. Now on to the steps. Start by preparing the paper you're going to be drawing on. You'll want to downsize your paper, as the larger it is, the longer it will take to draw your animation. I recommend nothing larger than 6 inches and no more than 50 pieces of paper to start with. You can get this quickly by folding and cutting in half letter-sized paper 2 times. Next, prepare your transparent container or surface by placing the bright light inside it or underneath it. Now you are ready to start drawing and creating your animation on top of the light box. You'll be drawing the same character or object over and over again on different pieces of paper, but with subtle changes in their position or size. You'll be able to see and make those differences in your drawings thanks to the light shining through your pieces of paper. When you've created quite a few frames, you'll see your animation when you flip through them one after another. This is known as Flipbook animation. Congratulations, you just created an animation with your very own light box. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye!